this video, I'm going to explain how you can pay with cash on DoorDash. Now, what I'm going to do here is from the home screen, I'll just select pizza and I'll explain why in a second here. Usually, the merchant needs to have this option enabled. So for example, here, let's do Pizza Hut. I'm not sure if the merchant has this option enabled, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add let's say that I want to buy some breadsticks, and that's basically it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my cart here and I'll select continue. So I'm just going to scroll all the way down and I'll select continue. And if you see a payment method here that says cash, it means that the merchant, or in our case Pizza Hut, accepts cash payments. If you don't see the option, as I don't see it right here, credit/debit card, PayPal, or Cash App Pay, it means that the merchant does not accept cash payments, and you will have to order from another restaurant which actually accepts cash payments. So that's basically how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.